So my next bike was this beautiful 2007 Night Train. And I didn't know this, but I was really happy to find out it had a bigger motor. It had a 6-speed transmission. It had a larger back tire than the 2004 Night Train that I had. This had a set of Bassani Turn-Out Pro Street exhausts on it, which sounded really good, as you'll hear in a second. This is actually the bike I crashed, so yeah, I didn't get to take those exhausts off. But anyway, check it out.